Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Hey, wagwan, me there again, you know, blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. Yeah, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm going to present certain videos to you that caught my attention. So, I'm going to present a video to you, and I want you to look and listen to the video and leave a comment or comments to let me know any wrongs that you might see in the video or during a situation that you can see in the video. Because I got the understanding from the video that a motorist who was operating a motor vehicle was overtaking motor vehicles in a line of traffic. At some point, that motor vehicle came to a stop, and the video shows a person holding what is believed to be a gun. And in the video, me hearing at least one person said the word officer. And so other words have been said as well. The people, look and listen to this video. Tell me what you think about this situation here. You see me? Yeah, I don't know where the video will be recorded, and viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. Well, I know people, look. Look. Listen.
Go back.
Go back where? Go back where?
Go back. Reverse it back. Reverse it back. Roll back, mate. Roll back.
But he ain't no pulling on now.
But what's going on with T-Boy?
Pulling over.
Officer, you pull a gun for a traffic offense, right?
And you point a gun.
You pull a gun for a traffic offense, right? That's what you just do, right? Nah, alright, officer.
Listen.
Yeah,
No problem,
what's the badge number?
Boy, move your
Name
car,
and badge
boy.
number, sir.
Drive your car.
Name and badge number,
Move your
sir.
car. You're crossing traffic. Move your car.
Name and badge number, sir.
Wrong and strong. Drive your car.
Nobody wrong and strong now. Can I have your name and badge number, sir?
Drive your car from an
Can I have your name and badge number, sir?
Move your car, boy.
Can I have your name and badge number? You're pulling me to the side?
Car, boy. Drive.
Dog, why you using that kind of language with me, boy?
Traffic. Drive.
Brother, drive now, brother. Where you now, brother?
You know what? If I didn't have all
Alright, let me point out the wrongs then when me see in this whole situation of the video. See? The bad word. Or should I say bad words? But either way, bad one. Mrs. Stubbornness from both sides, in my point of view. You can tell me if right or wrong based on Mr. Right. So what I say, in my point of view, two wrongs don't make a right. You see what I say? And the overtake or the going around motor vehicles at that point and so forth. Yeah, I think I see more, but I just don't want to say certain things. But overall, I'm a people. Missing wrongs from both sides. Leave a comment or comments, let me know what wrongs you might see. You know what I say? Yeah, let me know what wrongs you might see. And if so be the case, who was more in the wrong? So, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a struggle between a male and a female. And the person who is said to be the male at one point was holding an object that is believed to be a gun. That person assaulted the female too as well. The person who said to the female threw an object. See, I don't know where exactly the object they might have went or suppose. See, yeah, I got the understanding that there was some type of disagreement between those persons and then it reached to that point in the various subscribers. But the thing about it is though, and we know that there are some persons who might disagree with what I'm saying. You see, I believe that as a man, when it comes down to certain type of situations involving argument or confrontation with a female, you should just walk away and avoid certain things from escalating more than it already might have been or so forth. But that's just my point of view and my opinion. You see me, I say, I didn't get any confirmed information to determine exactly where the video will be recorded, and in my point of view, this really and truly look bad. See? Oh, and me notice me say the word vote and at least one type of clothes that someone was wearing. Please bear in mind that the video shows some type of a struggle or a fight between a male and a female. And it is said that the male was holding an object that is believed to be a gun. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. In my point of view, that man should have just walked away and avoid that type of situation. Okay, I understand that there might be more to the situation than what I know, but being as how I see the person in the video holding an object that is believed to be a gun, I think that person should have just walked away instead of making reaching a point where the person holds something like that. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a person was being detained by police. The people, the person's behavior, it look away. The way the person was behaving looks away. However, law enforcers who were at the scene did what they could in order to detain the person viewing subscribers. I didn't get any confirmed information to determine what might have caused the situation. I didn't get any confirmed information to determine where exactly the video had been recorded. But I do get the understanding that the video had been posted on social media some time ago. But the situation look away. Still, see, so my people, let me present the video to you. And I wanted to please bear in mind that the video shows some type of a pushing and shoving between the person and the police and certain things. Saying so, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
We can't do this. We can't do this.
I don't harass you too much, just catch you to the police station. Just catch you to the station. We are locked up to behaving like that. You're locked up to behaving like you're locked up.
We can't rest here.
You're gonna hurt. Let's the camera.
The police are to you. That is.
We can't listen to the police.
Where's the money? Yes, I got this apple chain. Standing a video. It's powerful. It's powerful, guys. Watch it. It's powerful. It's powerful.
You can't do that. I was up to come here and do that. Go in there, man.
Yo, watch your foot, watch your foot.
Go in there.
Watch your foot, don't push the door.
She's in time to no.
What make the person that behave so? No, but know that there are a lot of persons who might have seen this video before, not your subscribers, because this video has been put out there for some time now. You see? But that look away. Anyway, so that was just one of them type of situations still. You see? Some time ago, video this in my point of view. Yeah, so big up and respect to all of my loyal viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, DeAndre, manners and respect each and every time. You see me I say, Sir Michael, big up. Big up, Sir Michael. See? Yeah, big up to Mitzi, big up Sandra. Leave it. Yeah. Big up to all of my loyal viewers and subscribers. You see? Yeah. Black. Blessed, you see it? Yeah, manners and respect. And I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So, big up and respect to each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. And until the next time, I'm Mini and Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch.
Dancehall Skilla.